Hi, I'm Yara and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Today I'm gonna show you a few creative days in my studio. I will show you how my process looks like. Also, you're gonna see the process of finishing the paintings before I go on a week trip soon. So I wanted to finish everything that I have going on in my studio before then. I also have some topics to talk about with you guys, and also I'm excited to share you all about the paintings I'm making. So come along and let's create some things. Come. Welcome to my art studio. Today we are gonna paint two paintings that I have to finish in a week or so, and yeah, I'm just gonna take you along my journey and my creating process. I think that's gonna be fun, and you can paint along or you can just sit back and relax, whatever you like to do when you watch YouTube videos. I'm actually interested what you do. Do you watch? Do you do something along, especially with painting videos? Tell me down below if you want, because I really want to know. So I'm gonna start with Angel Cottage. I have in my previous video started painting the painting, and in this video I'm gonna finish it. This painting, as I said, it's called Angel Cottage, and it's a cute thing to paint. I had some troubles along the way with the shading and the light, but in the end I figured it out. So sometimes I have to remember that I don't have to paint realistically, or the things don't have to look real or how they really look in nature, if that makes sense. Because I think that I a lot of the times get caught up in the thoughts of something needing to look a certain way, instead of just me making it look however I want it to look. And yeah, it's this creative freedom that I have yet to learn, but I'm growing. I am working on it, so I think it's much better now, because now I really try to paint the way I like it and the way I know how to paint. Yes, I take certain challenges, and I sometimes challenge myself to paint something in a new way or a new light, but in the end, the important thing is that I like it. And yeah, that is really challenging sometimes, to not compare myself to other painters, other artists, and not be thinking that I have to paint a certain way for my art to be of a certain value. You probably know the struggles. I talk a lot about the struggles and mental health and kind of freeing ourselves in my videos. I love those topics. I love thinking about ways to free myself. I love learning to do stuff as I wish to do it. I love to untame myself. And yeah, with the Angel Cottage, I had this challenge to untame myself and be okay with what I can do and what I want to do. Recognize what I want to do and what are the thoughts that are telling me how to do something, that are not really real, not really me. And that's an interesting journey. And yeah, I encourage you also to just think about, if you're an artist, do you sometimes drift away from what you love and you maybe lose your integrity and start doing stuff like other people are doing it? Or you think you should be like someone else, or paint or work a certain way because you think that's an appropriate way, or you saw your favorite artists do it like that, or you learned in school that you have to do it a certain way, you know? And just let's slowly tap into what we really want to do and stop losing our integrity, because in my opinion the best works come from integrity, from creative freedom, because we are all individuals with our own unique perspective. That is what is truly meaningful and good in our artworks, is our unique perspective. And if we don't have integrity, if we do stuff as we think we should do it instead of what we love, how we love to do it, then we lose this unique creative voice, perspective. If you're dealing with something like that, if that sounds familiar to you, I welcome you to think about that for a little while and try to make stuff that comes from the heart. Angel Cottage is a painting that one day just kinda popped into my head. Is this cottage that has this angelic shimmer around its energy. And Angel Cottage is a place where everything is peaceful and free and quiet, and nothing bad ever happens. It's a place of awe, it's a place of rest, it's a place of wonder, it's a place of our childhood dreams. It's a really warm and cozy place, a safe haven. And I love how this painting turned out. And yeah, it actually turned out how I intended it. So I'm really happy with this painting. Soon I'm going on a trip, a week-long trip to Azores. I don't know how you say this in English. And I wanted to finish my paintings, everything I had in the works, until I go, because I wanted to scan the paintings before I go, and I wanted to order prints of them, because when I come back I will have a shop update on the 8th of March. So the March 8th will be the date that I will launch the prints of the Angel Cottage, of Smooth Blue, the painting I finished in January, and the Manifestor, the painting you will see me finish in this video also. And yeah, I will have prints in various sizes and stickers available of those paintings, and I wanted to get this going before I go. So the footage you see in this video were about 10 days of me working on my paintings before going. Next, I started painting the Manifestor. The idea for the Manifestor came from my love of contrasts and my love of the opposites. So one day I saw a photo of a witch dressed in pink, and I was mesmerized by this idea because the witches should be black, you know? That's this cultural belief that is so ingrained that the witches are black, with black hats. But me, I saw that photo of a pink witch and I was like, this is amazing. I need to paint a pink witch. Also, around this time, I am still really into manifesting what we desire, in learning and observing the power of mind. And immediately when I saw the painting in my head of this witch dressed in pink, walking, I was like, this is the manifestor. If you don't know what manifestation is all about, it's a practice that some people practice and some people believe in, and it is that you have the power to manifest things you think about into a physical world. So you bring something not physical on the physical world with your body, with your mind. So that can be interpreted several ways. One of them is that you just like have a direction, a clear sense of where you're headed, and because you're clear and you are excited about it, because you are focused on something, this thing will grow. And this is a really scientifically, psychologically logical explanation of manifesting. But some people also believe that you can actually call out the things in your life with your mind, so that you can actually attract something with the power of your mind. For example, if I really want to find a partner, for example, I can manifest that I will have the opportunity, that I will go someplace where the perfect partner for me will come also. And then we will meet, and I have manifested him somehow with the power of the mind. So there are two interpretations, and different people believe in different versions of manifestation. I'm not an expert, but yeah, I just noticed that. And yeah, I was learning a lot about the manifestation. I am fascinated by it because I lived a long time in victim mentality, and I really forgot about that I have a control over my life. And yeah, this really empowered me, this idea. So immediately this idea kind of emerged into my mind. So the pink witch walking in this field of flowers, and the painting is called the manifestor. And I painted it as a good luck charm. It's actually, I think of it as my really lucky painting. So a symbol of luck, a symbol of empowerment, a reminder of the power that we all hold within ourselves and the things we are capable of. I'm really happy I painted it, and I am so excited for the prints. I will also have the original painting, or if someone buys the original painting, I think I will always have a print or some charm of this painting with me, because I really believe that it is a good reminder of empowerment and manifesting. So the manifestor also, if you noticed, has these pink daisies that are behind her. So as she's walking, the pink daisies are on the floor behind her, and that symbolizes that she is kind of leaving her work behind, that her energy is manifesting, in the physical realm. So I added this little hint that only you, the watcher of this video right now, will know, because I will not write it, I think, anywhere else, because it's a really small little addition that I thought was kind of fun. And yeah, I actually finished both paintings in time, and they are scanning. They're in the scanner right now as I'm making this video. That is it for the cozy painting days in my studio before my trip. You can, for now, check out my Etsy shop, where I sell all of my 2023 products and older, and I have my website where I am selling the Sweet Warmth and the Optimist print right now. But soon I'm gonna do a shop update on my website. I'm gonna stop promoting my Etsy shop. I will just wait until everything is sold out from my Etsy shop, and then I'm gonna close it probably. But yeah, I'm gonna have my main shop on my website, www.𝗜ጵ.com, and on the March 8th there will be prints of all of the recent cool paintings I have made. Also stickers. I will also do stickers. And yeah, the other thing is that I have a Patreon and I have some cool rewards there. I have an extra exclusive monthly video there where we chat some more. I have physical rewards for the month of February. I have the mini print of the Optimist with the handwritten note on the back, and also the pumpkin lover stickers, and I will send them directly to your door if you join my Patreon tier until the last day of February. But yeah, you can also join lower, cheaper tiers just to be a part of community, see my exclusive posts and videos. And yeah, if you are able, check it out. If not, it's okay also. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you painted something along or relaxed or did something that you love. And yeah, I hope you find some peace and quiet today, and that maybe this video gave you a little spark of inspiration. And I will see you again really soon in my next one. Bye!